what is the special day today?
It's a no bag day.
Yeah, it's a no bag day. So what are we going to do? Okay, let me think. Let's go to the playground, to the garden and explore some new things. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so let's go to the playground. Alright, children, we are in the garden area. Yeah, it's a park. So, why are we here? Because we are having a no bag day today. Do you enjoy no bag day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so clap for that day. Yo. So, what are we going to do? Today we are not going to play. We will explore some nice things. Can you see a big tree? Yes or no? Yes, it's so big and huge, right? Yati, can you see this tree? Yeah, it's so big and so tall. And some small plants are also there. Let's go there. हाँ, बहुत बड़ा. चलो, छोटे plants भी हैं. Let's see the small plants. Come forward. Can you see this? Yeah. Oh, इसने तो काटा है. चुप गया. What is this green thing? ये क्या है बोलो? What is this? These are leaves. And what is this green part with the
Stem.
It's a stem. Fine. Be careful. Don't touch it. So it's a small plant. Okay, Sargam, can you come forward? Let's see what parts of plant you understand. Come forward. Can you recognize the leaves? Touch the leaves. Show me. Yeah, this is the leaf. These are the leaves. And where is the stem? Yeah, it's a strong woody stem. Come forward and see. It's a woody stem. Touch it. Rhythm, you also touch. Yeah, very good. And one more thing. Do you really know how these trees and plants really stand tall without falling on the ground? Because of these strong roots. Very good. So let's go and search for the roots. Can we see the roots? Let's go. Yes, here we can see the roots. Wow, look at this tree. Its roots are coming out of the ground. They are holding the ground so firmly. Right? Touch the roots. Touch the roots. Yes. They are so big. Yes. Very good. Okay. So we are going to dig a small hole. हमें plant लगाना है ना? So for that, यदि है. Okay, do it. Can you do it? Here only. Very good. Very good. हाँ करो इसको खोलो. Very good. Do it. हाँ नहीं आ रही है बारिश. अब जल्दी इसको खोलो. फिर इसके अंदर हम seeds डालेंगे. See? Small seeds. और फिर उसमें से क्या निकलेगा?
A plant.
कैसे निकलेगा? ऐसे निकलेगा. Wait. Okay. Put some seeds in there. Very good. Put down. Wow. Put some more. Put some more. Very good. Now cover it. Cover it with the soil. ऐसे cover कर दो. Yeah, do it. Cover कर दो. छुपा देंगे हम इन seeds को. और अब इन seeds को क्या मिलेगा? Nourishment. And let's give some water. Give some water. Yeah, a little bit, not much. Bas, very good. Okay. Now in few days, what will happen? These seeds will sprout out and Let's start from the bottom. Roots. Repeat after me. Roots.
Roots.
Stem.
Stem.
Leaves.
Leaves.
Flowers.
Flowers.
And so repeat after me. What are the parts of plant? Repeat after me. Roots.
Roots.
Stem.
Stem.
Leaves.
Leaves.
Flowers.
Flowers.
And they all need sun.
Sun.
Air.
Air.
And water.
Water.
And we will have a lovely rhyme on it. Do it with me. Stem, leaves, flowers, sun, air, and the splash of rain. Again. Roots, stem, leaves,
Flowers.
sun, air, and water. Splash. Clap for yourself. Did you enjoy it? Yay!
Sun and air and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower.
Let's go.
Ground.
Come forward. Let's do.
Dirt, roots will be found. The roots get water and form a base. The roots will hold the plant in place.
So in this way we can always bring our students to the real life situation. As we came to the garden today, they really enjoy touching the real objects, like they touched the leaves, the branches, and they saw the real trees. Instead of just giving them pictures just to color the trees or draw the trees, we can just bring them and show the real plants. This way their learning would be more effective and long lasting. So definitely fun filled and a very effective way of teaching parts of plant to our little ones. Thank you so much.